Okay, here's the bike. I'm gonna keep it covered so that dust doesn't get all over it. Let other people know, like my wife and also myself, don't put things on top of the bike. Things other than people don't belong on bikes. Excuse the mess. I have more projects than I have time. So this is the bike. Pipe is cold. Engine cold. So cold I can probably put my face on it. Grab the key. This is gonna be kind of loud. All right, I don't know if I can do this with two hands. Hand on the clutch. Left blinker, right blinker, brights, horn, X. And now I'm smoking out my garage. Pretty low idle for a bike, but it's not like most bikes. I guess it's lower idle than my other bike. I have a 2001 Triumph Sprint as a sport bike. That's what that thing is over there.